Your achievements are a source of immense pride for our community and serve as an inspiration to all Filipinos to grow, excel, and contribute positively to both our host country and our homeland. For this, we extend our sincerest gratitude and appreciation. As we look forward, we hope that ICPA Northern Emirates will continue to flourish. The trust that it's meant is here to support you in this endeavor, and we believe in your potential to succeed. In closing, I would like to thank ICPA for allowing the consulate to be part of this significant and joyous occasion. Congratulations once again to the founding officers and members of ICPA Northern Emirates and to our new CPAs. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
For the inspiring words.
Let us strive to be leaders who ignite the spark of ambition in our peers and pave the way for a brighter future. Always grounded, we are now part of a distinguished group of professionals who play a crucial role in the financial health and integrity of businesses and organizations worldwide. As you embark on the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself on the service of others. Thank you and good evening.